Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn palindrome string in Java. First, let us understand what is a palindrome string is. Okay, a palindrome string means the string remains the same even after reversing it. Okay, so for example, let's suppose this. Let's take a string madam. Even after reversing, what will be the output? It will be madam only. Okay, let's take level. Even after reversing, this will be the same string. Let's take one more string called radar. Even after reversing, it will be the same thing. Okay. So a palindrome string is the string remains the same even after reversing it. Okay. Now, then let us look into the Java program. How to write the code to reverse the string and to check whether it is a palindrome or not. Okay. So inside this main method, we will create a string variable called original. String original is equals to, we'll take it as made. Okay. Next, we will create another string variable called rewards. String rewards is equals to, and we'll initialize it with an empty string. Okay. The reason for this is we wanted to store the reverse string. So reverse showing this in a certain variable. So that is called as a rewards. Now we will use a for loop to reverse the string. Okay. Since we wanted to start from the last to first, that means uh, higher index to the lower index. So we'll initialize this for loop with the larger value, that is dot length, original dot length minus 1. Okay. And then I greater than or equals to 0. Okay. I minus minus. Okay. Now we wanted to reverse it, right? So how can we do? We will be storing the reverse string in the one variable which we have already declared, which is reverse. So we'll write reverse is equals to reverse into original dot caret of I. Okay. Sorry, here original reverse plus caret of I. Okay. Now system dot out dot println of what we will write here. We'll write reverse. Now what we have done here. So for original string, okay, for original string, we are finding the length. That means the length of the string is 5. But what is the last index? Since the index is starting from 0, what is the last index? It will be 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, which is 4. That is I value will starts from 4. Okay, 4 greater than or equal to 0, which is true. Now it will go inside the loop. So what is the reverse? Empty. Empty string plus original dot caret of I. So what is the I value here? 4. So what is fourth index value? M. Okay. So like that the loop will iterate and it will print madam as a reverse value. Okay. Now we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not, right? If if original dot equals of reverse, then we can say palindrome string. Else we can say not a palindrome string. Okay. Since the reverse value and the original value both are same, it has to return palindrome. Let's execute and see. See, it is a palindrome. So it has written the value as palindrome. Okay. So that's it for this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please share with others also and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.